Anna, tell me a story. Yeah. What else?
And puppy dog. Beautiful puppy.
Yeah. What else? What else about the story?
Ellie.
There was Allie in it.
Not the fun time.
There's Allie Joe.
What's this?
Is that what Allie Joe says?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, I love you. Want to tell me anything else about the story? Anything else about the story, Anna?
Nope.
Was there a little girl in the story?
There's little girl named Anna.
Her name was Anna? Like your name? What's your name?
Anna.
Anna. What's your full name?
Anna Polly.
Anna Polly. Okay, well, I love you.
I love you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm awake now.
You're awake now?
Yeah.
Tell me another story.
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
Yeah.